Canon have confirmed
Wow.
that the APS-C sized RF cameras are coming. The R7, the R8 and the R9. And it will replace the EFM range of cameras, which they are going to sunset. We're hearing about the R7, the R8 and the R9, which will be the 3 APS-C versions of the full frame mirrorless cameras.
But I just want you to know, I hate that I'm loving this.
Yeah, a bit like we saw with the 1DX, and then you had like the 7D, 70D, 700D. It's that kind of makeup. And in that order, so the R9 will be the cheapest entry point.
You're keeping me in suspense. Tell me what you've got, AJ.
That's really it.
Oh.
So, So it's 3 budget RF mount cameras, which in itself is huge. Because currently everything's full frame and quite expensive. And I just like to think about what that means. If we're getting these 3 APS-C size cameras, it means for certain the EFM range is gone, which is the started with the EOS M, M2, M3, M5, M50.
We've invested in this.
Yeah, we've got a couple of those. The
Thank you very much.
M52 is still currently sold by them. Is an amazing camera, but Canon only ever released, I get this right, I think it's 6 lenses for that range of cameras, because it's their mirrorless APS-C body. They never bothered. Sigma released 3 really good ones that we reviewed to kind of fill a gap in the market, and it did quite well. But Canon never really gave it any love. The EOS M, the EFM.
There seems to be a bit of a theme
they wanted
here.
a deposit from the mirrorless cameras.
Yeah. They didn't give it any love.
They're mirrorless
that's
range.
Weird. That's weird. I can't say I relate to that.
So that means I would say almost for certain that the old mirrorless range with the EFM mount is going to be gone and replaced with these 3 APS-C more budget orientated cameras.
I'm hoping Sigma do a sale. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Because I love Sigma glass.
Yeah. So it's already quite cheap.
Yeah. But you know me, I like a deal. So hopefully they want to shift their glass on.
Yeah.
I'll just buy multiple.
Hoarding.
Yeah. I want all of it.
Yes. So 3 RF APS-C cameras, R7, R8 and R9 are coming, although Canon haven't confirmed that. But I emailed them to confirm the story. They didn't reply. So I take their silence as a yes, like a politician.
Yes, I would. I would.
Definitely. So Canon have confirmed that the APS-C RF cameras are coming. Exciting. I know.
You should title this snip.
Yeah.
Canon confirm.
Canon. So
that'll be below the video. We'll do this as a clip. Just put it out.
Canon have confirmed.
Wow.
That the APS-C sized RF cameras are coming. The R7, the R8 and the R9. And it will replace the EFM range of cameras, which they are going to sunset.
No way. We should date stamp this video because you heard it first here.
They confirmed it to us first.
No way.
With their silence.
We've got such a strong relationship now with Canon.
Yes.
And
sorry.
Yeah.
The sarcasm button.
Keep your £1,000. Here's your